I'm gonna throw together a blueberry muffin protein shake, and I'm starting with ShowFit Nutrition vanilla vegan protein, and I'll use both. I'll use whey and I'll use vegan, and I like to mix it up because vegan protein is much more friendly to your kidneys, so you want to watch how much protein you get through your kidneys that is not vegan. It does matter. It really can be damaging. So we've got our vanilla protein. We're gonna do a heaping half cup of blueberries, 5-second rule. I'm making these his and hers. My husband eats with me. So everything I teach is family friendly. It is not mommy, it is not grandma, it is not necessarily even weight loss, but if you need to lose weight, a healthy body loses weight. So it does matter. And your children can even be eating this way, and they should. This is generational health. We want our loved ones to be well. So breaking this banana in two, we're each getting half. And I'm gonna put a tiny bit of cinnamon in it, since we want this to be like a banana, or I'm sorry, a blueberry muffin. Ceylon cinnamon. Super good for you. And then we want to use non-dairy milk always. Dairy is the enemy. And this actually has 50% more calcium, better for your children than dairy. So that is our blueberry muffin. Let's blend this and taste it. I'll be right back. Tastes like a blueberry muffin. That was the plan. Get you some ShowFit Nutrition protein, and follow me for more recipes, lots of nutritional information, and information about generational health. Let's have healthy families, healthy children, healthy grandchildren. It matters.